It's another one from the best in transport and logistics investing, FWM, Khaya Mahlangu. This one was sold to a wise investor. He's collecting it. It's track number 2 for him. This is the second week he's picking up number 2. He's investing in these assets that produce cash flow. He understands that you have to invest in assets that produce cash flow. Go get my mentorship program. Let me help you. Let me show you the way on how to invest in this business. It's FWM, Khaya Mahlangu, the best to ever do it, the best in transport and logistics investing.